Walaikum Assalam. Today we are revise definition of Chebyshev polynomial, which is the Chebyshev polynomial of degree n over the interval minus 1 1 is defined by the relation Tn of x is equal to cos of n cos inverse of x, and Tn of x is equal to t minus n of x. Here the relation on the basis of Chebyshev polynomial, that is Tn plus 1 of x is equal to 2x Tn of x minus Tn minus 1 of x. First Chebyshev polynomial is T0 of x is equal to 1, T1 of x is equal to x, T2 of x is equal to 2x square minus 1, T3 of x is equal to 4x cube minus 3x, sorry, T4 of x is equal to 8x raised to the power 4 minus 8x square plus 1, and T5 of x is equal to 16x raised to the power 5 minus 20x raised to the power 3 plus 5x, and last T6 of x is equal to 32x raised to the power 6 minus 48x raised to the power 4 plus 18x square minus 1. We have shown examples also. Here theorem is prove that the Chebyshev polynomial Tn of x of degree n satisfies the differential equation 1 minus x square into d2y by dx square minus x dy by dx plus n square y is equals to 0. This Tn of x satisfies this equation. The Chebyshev polynomial of degree n over the interval minus 1 1 is defined as Tn of x is equal to cos of n cos inverse of x, where n is any non-negative integer. We are supposed this cos inverse of x as theta, this cos inverse of x as theta. Theta is equal to cos inverse of x. X is equal to cos theta. Therefore, x is equal to cos theta, and derivative of this x with respect to theta dx by theta is equal to minus sine theta, and d theta by dx inverse of this d theta by dx is equal to minus 1 by sine theta. If we are suppose this Chebyshev polynomial Tn of x as y, then this y is equal to Tn of x is equal to cos of n cos inverse of x, but cos inverse of x is equal to theta. So y is equal to Tn of x is equal to cos of n theta. Dy by dx, we have dy by dx. Dy by dx is same as dy by d theta divided by dx by d theta. So dy by d theta is equal to this dy by d theta. This differentiate this with respect to theta. the cos n theta, derivative of cos n theta is equal to minus sin n theta, and derivative of n theta is equal to n. So minus n sine of n theta, and dx by d theta, dx by d theta is equal to minus sine theta. So this is equal to n sine of n theta divided by sine of theta. Minus sign cancel. And this is, we have find dy by dx. Next step is second derivative. d2y by dx square is equals to derivative of this term, d by dx into n sine of n theta divided by sine theta. So d by d theta, this is terms of theta. So we have d d theta of n sine n theta divided by sine theta into d theta by dx. d theta से मल्टीप्लाई और डिवाइड किए हमने. And derivative of this u upon v, derivative of u upon v, where u is this numerator and v is denominator. So this is v as it is, sine and theta, sin theta as it is, derivative of this sin n theta का derivative cos n theta, this n as it is, और n theta का derivative n, तो n into n is equals to n square, minus n sin n theta as it is, derivative of this sin theta is equals to cos theta, divided by v square, this is sin square theta, and d theta by dx, d theta by dx is equals to minus 1 by sin theta. So this is equals to minus n square cos of n theta. Here plus n sine of n theta into this, इससे मल्टीप्लाई करिए साइन थीटा को, तो साइन थीटा कैंसिल हो देंगे, और ये टर्म से अगर मल्टीप्लाई करें तो n साइन ऑफ n थीटा एज इट इज एंड कॉस थीटा बाय साइन थीटा इज इक्वल टू कॉट थीटा डिवाइडेड बाय साइन स्क्वायर थीटा. We have find the values d2y by dx square and dy by dx. Then this expression, this total expression is equals to 1 minus x square d2y by dx square minus x dy by dx plus n square y. 1 as it is. X is equals to cos theta. So x square is equals to cos square theta. So 1 minus cos square theta. d2y by dx square. Substitute this value here. Minus x यानी cos theta, dy by dx, this is dy by dx, and sin theta by sin theta plus n square, and y is equals to cos of n theta. Substitute all these values. So this is equals to 1 minus cos square theta is equals to sin square theta into this as it is, minus n square cos of n theta plus n sin n theta into cot theta divided by sin square theta, minus this cos theta by sin theta is equal to cot theta into n sin n theta as it is plus n square cos of n theta. Here this sin square theta cancel. We get minus n square cos of n theta plus n sin of n theta into cot of theta minus this minus n sin of n theta into cot of theta plus n square cos of n theta. So this term cancel. And this minus n square cos of n theta plus n square cos of n theta, this is also cancelled. We get answer as 0. Means Chebyshev polynomial Tn of x satisfies this expression. satisfies this expression. Y is equal to Tn of x satisfies the differential equation 1 minus x square d2y by dx square minus x dy by dx plus n square y is equals to 0. Understand this example or theorem? Next is orthogonality property. Orthogonality property is prove that integration, definite integral from minus 1 to 1 of Tm of x into Tn of x divided by square root of 1 minus x square dx is equals to 0 when m is not equals to n. Pi by 2 when m is equals to n, which is not equals to, and is equals to pi when m is equals to n is equals to 0. Understand? Uh, So here we have proved this orthogonality property. This. The Chebyshev polynomial Tn of x of degree n over the interval minus 1 to 1 is defined as Tn of x is equal to cos of n cos inverse of x. Interval is closed interval minus 1 to 1. Where cos inverse of x is equal to theta. And this implies that x is equal to cos of theta. Therefore, this Tn of x is equal to cos of n theta. Similarly, Tm of x is equal to cos of m theta, where m and n are greater than or equals to 0. Since x is equals to cos of theta, therefore derivative of it is dx, which is equal to minus sine theta d theta when x is equals to minus 1. When x is equals to minus 1 means cos of theta is equals to minus 1, then value of theta is equals to pi, since cos of pi is equals to minus 1, and if x is equals to 1 then theta is equals to 0, means if cos theta is equals to 1 means theta is equals to 0. If m is not equals to n, first case, if m is not equals to n, then integration from minus 1 to 1 Tm of x into Tn of x divided by square root of 1 minus x square dx. So substitute all these values. So Tm of x is equal to cos of m theta, Tn of x is equal to cos of n theta, square root of 1 minus x square means 1 minus cos square theta, and dx is equal to minus sine theta d theta. So this is this integration from pi to 0. So this is same as minus pi to 0, this minus sign बाहर आ जाएंगे, minus integration from pi to 0 cos of m theta cos of n theta, 1 minus square root of 1 minus cos square theta is equal to sin theta, and this sin theta d theta as it is. Next, in next step, this sin theta cancel. So we get cos of m theta into cos of n theta into d theta. But this cos of m theta plus n theta, which is equals to cos of a plus b, by the using formula cos of a plus b, this is equal to cos of m theta cos of n theta minus sin of m theta sin of n theta, and cos of m theta minus n theta का फार्मूला क्या है, cos of m theta cos of n theta plus sin of m theta sin of n theta. So cos of m theta plus n theta plus cos of m theta minus n theta is equals to अगर ये दोनों का एडिशन करें तो ये टर्म कैंसिल हो जाएंगी एंड वी गेट 2 cos of m theta cos of n theta. So this is cos of m theta into cos of n theta is equal to ये 2 यहाँ डिनोमिनेटर में आ जाएगा 1/2 cos of m plus n theta plus cos of m minus n theta. So we have integration from -1 to 1 of Tm of x into Tn of x divided by square root of 1 minus x square dx is equals to 1/2 integration of 0 to pi cos of m plus n theta plus cos of m minus n theta d theta. This is एक मिनट. So we have this. So 1/2. This is 0 to pi. Since a to b, integration from a to b is same as minus b to a. So this is 0 to pi. This is cos of m plus n theta plus cos of m minus n theta d theta. This is integration of this is sine of m plus n theta divided by m plus n, and integration of cos of m minus n is same as sine of m minus n theta divided by m minus n, where m is not equals to n. Here m minus n, therefore m is not equals to n. And this is 1/2 sine of m plus n divided by m plus n pi. Put this value 0 to pi. So first put pi, then 0. So pi plus sine of m minus n pi divided by m minus n, but sine of 0 is equals to 0. So these terms are not written here. These terms are, this is 0. So 1/2 into 0 is equals to 0. So this first part we have proved, this first part, this 0, if m is not equals to n. If m is equals to n, which is not equals to 0, then this integration -1 to 1 Tm of x into Tn of x divided by square root of 1 minus x square dx is equals to integration from -1 to 1 Tn of x into Tn of x, since m is equals to n. Therefore, instead of m, we have write n. Tn of x into Tn of x divided by square root of 1 minus x square. So this is Tn of x is equal to cos of n theta. This is cos of n theta divided by square root of 1 minus cos square theta, and dx is equal to minus sine theta d theta. So this is minus pi to 0, this minus sign. Cos square n theta, this cos of n theta, cos of n theta, cos square n theta divided by sine theta, square root of 1 minus cos square theta is equal to sine theta into sine theta d theta. This sine theta cancel. So we are remaining cos square n theta. But cos square n theta formula is 1 plus cos of 2 n theta divided by 2 d theta. So this is 1 by 2. Integration of this. Integration of 1 is equal to theta. And cos of 2n theta is equal to sine 2n theta divided by 2n. And this is from 0 to pi. So 1 by 2, put first pi. Pi plus sine 2n pi divided by 2n minus 0 minus sine 0 by 2n. So this is 1 by 2 pi. These terms are 0. Sine of pi 2n pi 0, sine of 0 is equals to 0. So this is pi by, we get result as pi by 2. This is second part. Third part is if m is equals to n is equals to 0, then this term is written as cos of m theta cos of n theta into d theta. So this is cos of 0 into cos of 0. Cos of 0 is 1. So this is theta. Integration of 1 is equal to theta from 0 to pi. So this is pi minus 0. The result is pi. We get all of our result is. For 0, if m is not equals to n, pi by 2 if m is equals to n, and pi if m is equals to n is equals to 0. ये आपको ऑब्जेक्टिव में भी आ सकता है. Next, last article is economization of power series. Economize the power series. Sine of x is equals to x minus x cube by 6 plus x raised to the power 5 by 120 minus x raised to the power 7 divided by 5040. Here 1 by 5040 is equals to this 0.000198 calculator पे करेंगे. Therefore, this is very negligible quantity. So, this above series can be approximately this form. Sine of x is same as x minus x cube by 6 plus x raised to the power 5 by 120. Since this is negligible, so we know that this x is t1 of x and x cube is equals to 1 by 4 3t1 of x plus 3 t3 of x. ये हमने previous lecture में solve किए. And x raised to the power 5 is equals to 1 by 16. ये अगर 8 मार्क्स के लिए आ रहा है आपको, अगर थ्योरी एग्जाम हो रहा है और 8 मार्क्स के लिए आ रहा, तो ये वैल्यूज भी आपको मालूम करना पड़ेगी. x raised to the power 5 is equals to 1 by 16 10 t1 of x plus 5 t3 of x plus t5 of x. This is the values of x cube and x raised to the power 5. अब ये values हम यहाँ रख देंगे. Sin of x is equal to, instead of x we have write t1 of x minus 1 by 6 and x raised to the power 3 is equals to this 1 by 4 3t1 of x plus t3 of x plus this 1 by 20 and value of x raised to the power 5 is equals to this. So 1 by 16 10 t1 of x plus 5 t3 of x plus t5 of x. So this is t1 of x. t1 of x minus 6 into 4 is equals to 24. This is 3t1 of x plus t3 of x plus 120 into 16 is equals to 1920 into 10t1 of x 5t3 of x plus t5 of x. So this is t1 of x. अभी मल्टीप्लाई कर लेंगे हम. 3 by 24 t1 of x minus t3 of x divided by 24 plus 10 t1 of x divided by 1920. Multiplication of this is this and multiplication of this term is this. So this is approximately equal to अब t1 of x, this t1 of x plus 10 by this अगर addition करें हम तो this is 169 by 192 t1 of x. this ये t1 of x ये term भी है, ये सब का addition करें तो ये आएगा. t3 of x, t3 of x, this is t3 of x. ये दोनों का अगर करें सॉल्व तो ये आ जाएगा माइनस 5 by 128 t3 of x plus 1 by 1920 into t5 of x. So this is 169 by 192 t1 of x minus 5 by 120 t3 of x. Since this is also negligible, 1 upon 1920. 20. But T3 of x, T3 of x is equals to 4x cube minus 3x. So therefore the economized series is given by 169 by 192. T1 of x is equals to x minus 5 by 128 into 4x cube minus 3x. And this solve this x के टर्म्स एक साथ लिख लेंगे और x क्यूब के टर्म एक साथ लिख लेंगे. So here this is the last article. Any difficulty? हाँ, तो यहाँ पे सबसे हमने पहले कर्व फिटिंग प्रोसीजर्स है ये टॉपिक में. कर्व फिटिंग प्रोसीजर्स में लीस्ट स्क्वायर कर्व फिटिंग कर्व फिटिंग प्रोसीजर्स है. लीस्ट स्क्वायर कर्व फिटिंग प्रोसीजर्स मीन्स minimize the error. If we have minimized the error in the form of square, so that is this. S is equals to y1 minus f of x1 whole square plus y2 minus f of x2 whole square plus yn minus f of xn whole square. These are the errors. So e1 square plus e2 square plus em square. So our first article is how to fit the straight line y is equals to a0 plus a1x. So there are n data points to fix this straight line to n data point and by the least square procedure. So this is the equation, and to minimize the error, this s differentiation of s with respect to a0 and differentiation of s with respect to a1 is equals to 0. Using this we find the normal equations. We find the normal equations. This is first normal equation and this is second normal equation where m is the given data points. So here normal equations are important, very important. We have solved examples on this. For solving examples, we have first write the normal equations using the data points. Find the all values, that is if TL, then we have find T square TL and then add all this summation of this and substitute from this table the values in the normal equations. So we get equation this equation solved for A0 and A1, we get our result. Similarly, we have put the polynomial of nth degree. Polynomial of nth degree in similar way. Here we are differentiate with respect to a0, a1, a2, so on, an. Next is fitting of exponential function. If function is y is equals to a0 e raised to the power a1x, then taking logarithm on both the sides, so we get log of y is equals to log of a0 into e raised to the power a1x, and we have this is in the form of log of y is equals to log of a0 plus a1 of x. But we have denote this expression as that is equals to a plus bx, and this is a straight line. Then by the procedure of fitting of straight line, we get the result. We have fit this exponential function. Next, power function also. We are taking logarithm on both the sides, and lastly, it is transformed in the form of straight line and then fit it. Next is our approximation of function, that is Chebyshev polynomial. Any difficulty from this topic? हेलो। हाँ, ठीक है। टुडे वी स्टॉप हियर।